Hey guys, I got a 2020 Toyota Corolla. Got a weird noise when I'm turning right in the rear brake system. Might be just a backing plate or something, or a wheel bearing, but I'm gonna check it out. Show you the noise right now. No noise on left turn, just right. Now I'm gonna go left. No noise. Go right. So let's go check it out and see what it is. It's amazing the things you find. This is a caliper hook. Someone must have did some rear brakes, and they use it to hang the caliper when they're changing out the rotors and stuff. So I'm gonna remove this and go for another ride, and the noise should be gone. So here's a right-hand turn. And here's a left-hand turn. Noise is gone. So you're probably asking, why did it make noise in one direction and not the other? And that's because when you're turning right, the body would roll in that direction, which means the weight would shift to that side, so the hook would start rubbing the tire. When you turn left, the hook would rise because the weight of the vehicle is going to the right now, and it lifts the hook instead of lowers it. So hopefully that makes sense. You got any questions or comments, guys, leave them in the box below. I'd be happy to answer for you. Take care. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks. Have a good one.